Welcome back to my YouTube video. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can create another new user on Windows 10. Simply click on this Windows Start option, then click on this setting. Click on the account option. Now from here, go to family and others user. Now click add someone else on this PC. Click on it. You can give your Outlook email account if you want. Now I'm going to click I don't have the person sign in information. Click on it. Add a user without Microsoft account. Click on it. Now give a username. You can enter a password if you want, and if you don't want password, just simply leave it and click next. You can see the user 2 already created in here. Now click on it. Click on this icon from this three dot. If you click, it will log into another user in Windows 10. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, share and hit the subscribe button.